Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Uniquely Jazz. My name is Jasmari. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my eyebrow routine. So I'm starting off by brushing like my eyebrow hairs and like just trying to get them like evened out. So now I'm gonna be using the Runaway Beauty Eyebrow Pomade, and I'm using the light side of it, and I'm just like doing lightly strokes under my like on my bottom eyebrow. I also like raise up my eyebrows so I don't mess up, and I do the same for the top eyebrow. And I'm basically just outlining my eyebrow, and then I will just like fill it in starting from the back to the front. And then I will brush out the hairs starting from the front and brushing it like upwards to create like a ombre, and then I will like brush out the rest of the hair. And then sometimes it will be like a gap, so I will go back in with the pomade and then brush it out and to like blend it. And I always start with my right eyebrow first and then the left eyebrow, and I try to do the other one the same way as the one I did before and try to make them look alike. Now I'm gonna be using the Morphe concealer, and I forgot the number of the color, but I'm just using this to clean up my eyebrows. And I start from the bottom to the front to the back, and I do the same for the top part of my eyebrow and just like blend it and pull it downwards and like blend it. So here's the finished look. I hope this video was helpful, and I know sometimes for people with albinism it's like hard to do your eyebrows, but I hope this video was helpful. you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video.